CompXM Round 1 Strategy Guide 2025 to 2026. Hello, and welcome to the CompXM Capstone Simulation. This video is designed to walk you through the strategy for CompXM 2025, with a specific focus on Round 1 and setting up the foundation for all 4 rounds. If you follow this strategy carefully, you'll be on track for a top result of $999 to $1,000. Let's begin. Overview of CompXM. CompXM consists of 4 decision-making rounds, and it's much faster-paced than the main capstone simulation. You'll start the exam with 4 pre-existing products, each located in a specific segment: Thrift, Core, Nano, Elite. Unlike capstone, there are no additional segments, and you only manage 4 products initially, making the game more focused but also more compressed. Because there are only 4 rounds, every decision matters. There's no time to recover from mistakes, so planning ahead is critical. Long-term product strategy. At the beginning of Round 1, your company already owns 4 products. However, to gain a competitive edge, we add 4 new products, 1 for each segment. Why? Because most of the added products will finish R&AMP winking and laughing development by midway through year 2, and will be able to sell for a full year in rounds 3 and 4. So here's the plan: add 4 new products during Round 1. Assign each one to Thrift, Core, Nano, and Elite respectively. Set ideal spots using the Industry Condition Report, ICR, and adjust based on segment drift. This strategy ensures you're ready to dominate in rounds 3 and 4 when these new products go live. Naming products and segment mapping. The product names are assigned by the system, but it's critical to remember which product is in which segment. For example, ELLN may be placed in the Thrift segment. UPPR may represent Core. AGAP is often a Nano product. IPRD typically lies in the Elite segment. When you add new products, name them clearly by segment, e.g., TH2, CR2, NA2, EL2, so you can easily identify and track them later. Keep your segment product map clear from the start. Misplacing a product in the wrong segment will lead to poor customer fit and missed sales. Pricing strategy. Now let's talk pricing, a major factor in CompXM success. Your strategy should be to price near the top of the acceptable range for each segment, without exceeding customer expectations. Recommended starting prices: Thrift, around $24 a Core, around $30, $32 Nano, around $38, $40 Elite, around $42. Important, these prices are high, but still within competitive range. Going too high will reduce your customer appeal and market share. In CompXM, each product's price accounts for about 20 to 25% of customer buying criteria, so it's a big factor, but not the only one. Forecasting sales. This is one of the most important steps in CompXM Round 1, forecasting your unit sales. Steps: check last year's unit demand, page 4 of the ICR. Note the expected segment growth rate: O Thrift, 10% O Core, 14% O Nano, 16% O Elite, 11%. Input those figures into your Excel sales forecasting file, as shown in this video. For Round 1, focus on forecasting only for the existing 4 products. For Round 2 and beyond, forecast for 8 products total, since your new ones will be entering the market. Accuracy in forecasting equals no inventory loss, no stockouts, and better margins. Marketing decisions. Now let's apply your sales forecasts in the marketing module. Input your sales forecast per product. Set your pricing, as discussed earlier. Allocate promotion and sales budget. For existing products, promotion, $1,500 to $2,000. Sales, $1,500 to $2,000. For new products, which won't sell in Round 1, set budgets to $0 until they enter the market next round. Production planning. Next up is the production module. Review existing capacity for your current products. Add capacity if your forecasted sales exceed current capacity. For new products, TH2, CR2, etc., add capacity now, ideally around 500 units per product. Why 500? It gives you enough stock to sell aggressively when the product goes live in rounds 3 and 4. Set automation levels: O Thrift and Core, 5.5 to 6.0, O Nano and Elite, 4.5 to 5.0. Remember, automation reduces labor costs but increases R&AMP winking and laughing time. Balance is key. HR and TQM investments in the HR module. Set recruiting spend to $5,000, set training hours to 80. These maximize productivity and reduce per unit labor cost across all rounds. In TQM, total quality management, invest $1 million per initiative in rounds 1 to 3. Skip TQM in round 4. This improves product reliability, lowers material/labor cost, and improves margin. TQM benefits compound over time, so start early. Finance decisions. Now, let's fund all these decisions. You have a spending limit of around $59 million in round 1. Here's how to cover that: issue stock, up to $40 million long-term debt, up to $15 million short-term debt, use only if needed to cover working capital, avoid emergency loans at all costs, they kill your credit rating. Also, monitor the cash flow report to avoid overspending. You should keep at least $2 million in cash buffer at the end of the round. Reviewing performance before submitting, review your pro forma reports. Income statement, check net profit, target, $10 to $12 million in round 1, contribution margin, aim for 38 to 42%. Balance scorecard, should show improving trends in margin, stock price, and market share. Inventory, not too high, not too low, minimal leftover stock. In my trial simulation, this strategy gave us sales, $198 million, net profit, $11 million, contribution margin, 38%, EPS, and stock price, strong, with upward momentum. Summary: Round 1 checklist. Heavy checkmark, add 4 new products: Thrift, Core, Nano, Elite. Heavy checkmark, set pricing near segment maximums. Heavy checkmark, forecast accurately based on growth. Heavy checkmark, adjust capacity and automation. Heavy checkmark, invest fully in HR and TQM. Heavy checkmark, fund decisions with stock and loans. Heavy checkmark, check pro forma before submitting. What's next? Round 1 is about laying the groundwork. If you do this right, rounds 2 to 4 will build upon that momentum. In the next video, I'll walk you through round 2 decisions, including managing 8 products, scaling production, adjusting pricing and sales budgets, tracking cumulative balanced scorecard performance. Get support or ask questions if you need help. Envelope with arrow. Email us at mbahelp2002@gmail.com. Bluebook. Visit our blog for full winning guide, https://compxmguide2022.blogspot.com. We also offer free support for CompXM Round 1 and 2, just reach out. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your CompXM, and I hope to see you in the next round strategy video. Stay focused, stay sharp, and go for that $999/1000.